Join me as I dive into the future of Xhld stock and try to predict where it's headed next. Xhld stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. As a leading player in its industry, it's natural to wonder what the future holds for this stock. With current market trends and analyst opinions swirling around it, we're going to take a deep dive into what the future might look like for Xhld stock. There are a lot of uncertainties surrounding Xhld stock in the current market landscape. For one, the industry it operates in is highly competitive, and there are always new players vying for market share. This could potentially lead to a squeeze on profits, making it harder for Xhld to maintain its current market valuation. Additionally, there are concerns about the overall health of the economy and how that might impact consumer spending habits. If consumer confidence takes a hit, it could have a ripple effect on Xhld's bottom line. Furthermore, Xhld stock has been experiencing some volatility in recent months, which could be a sign of investor unease. When you combine this with the fact that the company is facing some significant operational challenges, it's clear that there are a lot of moving parts that could impact its future trajectory. And let's not forget about the regulatory environment, which always has the potential to throw a wrench into the works. With so many unknowns, it's no wonder investors are on high alert. Despite all these challenges, Xhld stock still has a lot of potential. The company has a strong track record of innovation, and it's made some savvy strategic moves in recent years. If it can continue to execute on its vision, there's no reason why it can't overcome the current obstacles and come out even stronger on the other side. Recent trends suggest that Xhld stock is poised for a rebound. Analysts are increasingly bullish on the company's prospects, and some are even calling it a buy. Meanwhile, market factors like interest rates and commodity prices are starting to line up in its favor. When you combine this with the company's strong financials, it's hard to ignore the potential for future growth. Of course, past performance is never a guarantee of future success, but all signs are pointing in the right direction. One of the biggest drivers of Xhld stock's future projections is the growing demand for its products. As more and more consumers become aware of the benefits of Xhld's offerings, it's natural to expect revenue to increase. And with the company's focus on research and development, it's well positioned to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on emerging trends. This could lead to a significant increase in market share, which would be a major boon for shareholders. Some analysts are predicting that Xhld stock could reach new heights in the coming months. While it's always dangerous to make predictions with certainty, the data seems to be trending in the right direction. If the company can continue to execute on its strategy and the market continues to move in its favor, it's not hard to imagine Xhld stock soaring to new heights. That being said, it's always important to approach these kinds of predictions with a healthy dose of skepticism. The most compelling projection I've seen suggests that Xhld stock could experience a significant uptick in value over the next quarter. This would be a major win for shareholders, and would likely lead to a surge in interest from new investors. Of course, it's always important to do your own research and make informed decisions, but based on the data I've seen, I'm feeling pretty bullish on Xhld's prospects. Based on our analysis, it's clear that Xhld stock has a lot of potential for future growth. While there are certainly challenges that the company needs to overcome, the trends and data all seem to be pointing in the right direction. If you're considering investing in Xhld stock, I'd encourage you to do your own research and weigh the pros and cons carefully. What do you think about Xhld stock's future prospects? Leave a comment below with your own predictions and insights. And if you're looking for more in-depth analysis, be sure to check out my latest video where I dive even deeper into the world of stock market investing.